Hi, my name is Brian Shoemaker and I'm president and owner of DVT Solutions, the manufacturer and developer of the GigaProbes. The GigaProbes is a TDR probe. It's 30 gigahertz. It's a true odd mode differential probe, meaning that it's either a 100 ohm or a 50 ohm probe, and it can be used to measure impedance, or with two probes you can measure S parameters on interconnect systems. We're going to demonstrate some examples of how to hook them up to manipulators and to make various measurements with the probes on different types of interconnect systems. This is the DVT30-1MM GigaProbes box. It comes in a nice wooden box. It's got the website on it. You open it up and it shows the two probes that come in the dual probe kit. The probes come with a protective cover, and one tip is if you're not using the GigaProbes, please leave the cover on so that they're not damaged by somebody running over it with a chair or they fall someplace. In addition, it also comes with a SMA wrench that has a pitch setting holes that you can put your probes in to set to 0.81 or 1.27 millimeter pitch. You can set the probes to other pitches by using a set of tweezers to lightly adjust them. The tweezers are also useful for making the probes go from 100 ohms to 50 ohms. It also comes with a magnifying glass that allows you to see the probes when you're putting the wire wraps for the 50 ohm conversion, or when you're just trying to probe. It's very useful utility. The dual probe kit also comes with two manipulator adapters called GPMMAs, and each one of them comes with two adapters that allows you to put them on the end, and then these are useful for certain probe manipulators that use a gripper. If you don't need it, then you can leave it off. For cable routing, it comes with four right angle 24 gigahertz adapters, and these adapters fit on each end so that you can set it up so that you can route your cables back. Right now with the T connectors, it puts more of a crimp in the cable, so these give you that flow back. It also comes with a 50 ohm adapter kit, and I'll demonstrate how this works a little later. In addition, each kit comes with a set of cables, and these cables are individually wrapped here, so they come as sets. We also mark each one so you'll know whether it's a positive or negative. And so if you're doing differential, you'll know which is a positive pulse, which is a negative pulse.